Very good afternoon, students. The last class discussed about minor definition, cofactor definition, and adjointment of a square matrix. Again, we are discussing about minor definition. So, minor definition nothing but deleting ith row and j column. Deleting ith row, j column, then the remaining elements, determinant is called minor. So minor is nothing but deleting ith rows, j column, then remaining elements, it is called minor. So minor it is denoted by, so minor of an element aij. Minor of an element a is denoted by capital Mij. Minor of an element is denoted by capital Mij. So minor is nothing but deleting ith rows, j column, then the remaining elements, it is called minor. Minor it is denoted by capital Mij. Second one is cofactor. Cofactor is denoted by cofactor of an element. So cofactor it is denoted by capital Aij. Cofactor it is denoted by capital Aij is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into Mij, where Mij is an element of Aij. So Mij is an element of Aij. Next, adjointment of square matrix is nothing but adjointment is nothing but transpose of the matrix Aij, where Aij is a cofactor of an element, Aij. Minor is nothing but deleting ith row, j column, then the remaining element, it is called minor. So minor it is denoted by capital Mij. Next, cofactor is nothing but it is denoted by capital Aij. Form is minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into Mij, where Mij is a minor of an element. Mij is the minor of an element Aij. Next, what is the definition of the adjointment of square matrix? Nothing but transpose of the matrix capital Aij. Transpose of the matrix capital Aij, where Aij is nothing but cofactor of an element Aij. This is the definition of the minor, cofactor, adjointment of a square matrix. By using this definition, we need to calculate adjointment. Okay. See the exercise 1.6. See the exercise 1.6. Very simple questions. Exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6. See the first question. Find the adjointment of the following questions. Find the adjoint of the following matrices. So here given one matrices, we need to calculate adjoint matrix. See the first question. The given matrix is 1, 2, 3, minus 4. So they given one matrix, we need to calculate adjointment matrix. See the solution here, friends. What is the given matrix we are taking? Like capital A is equal to, what is the given matrix we are consider? Capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3 minus 4. So what is the definition of the adjoint matrix? Means transpose of the cofactor and element. Means first we need to calculate cofactors elements. That's why we need to calculate each every element of cofactor. See here, cofactor of 1. First you are I am writing formula. Cofactor of Aij is equal to my capital Aij is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into Mij. So now Aij I throw j column. 1 present the first row, first column is A11. So that's why cofactor of A11 first row, first 1 present in the first row, first column. First row, first column. So minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j. First row, first column. M1 present in the first row, first columns are deleted. So left of the element is minus 4. So minus 1 whole square value is plus 2 plus this minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square value is plus 1 only. 1 into minus 4 value is minus 4. Next, cofactor of 2. We need to calculate each every element cofactor here, student. That's why we are calculating cofactor of 2. So now the 2 present in the first row, second column is equal to forming an apply minus 1 whole to the power of 2 present in the first row, second column. So now 2 present in the first row, second columns are eliminated. Then remaining element is the minor. So what is the minor element here? 3. So minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Next we need to calculate cofactor of 3. Cofactor of 3. 3 present in the second row, first column. Apply the formula minus 1 whole to the power of 3 present in the second row, first column. Now 3 present in the second row, first columns are eliminated. Then the remaining element is called minor. So minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 value is minus 2. Next, cofactor of minus 4. Cofactor of minus 4. Minus 4 present in the second row, second column. Minus 1 whole to the power of 4. Whole to the power of 4. Minus 1 whole to the power of second row, second column. Minus 4 present in the second row, second columns are eliminated. Left of the image it is called minor. So then it is this value is 1. So now we need to calculate adjointment of A matrix. Adjointment of A. So adjointment of, it is denoted by shortcut adj A, means adjointment of A. What is the definition here? Transpose of the. So adjointment of a square matrix nothing but transpose of the matrix Aij. Transpose of an element capital Aij. Capital Aij is nothing but cofactor and element Aij. Now cofactor of 1 we are taking. Cofactor of 1 we are taking. What is the element we are getting? Minus 4. Cofactor of 2 we are taking. What is the element we are getting? Minus 3. Next, cofactor of 3 we are taking. What is the value we are getting? Minus 2. Cofactor of minus 4 we are taking. What is the getting element is 1. So transpose of the matrix nothing but interchanging rows and columns. So first row interchanging first column, second row interchanging second column. This is the solution here, friends. First we need to calculate every element of the cofactor. After that, substitute adjointment of A is equal to transpose of the cofactor elements. So transpose of the matrix nothing but interchanging rows and columns. This is a solution for this question here, friends. One more method, short method here, friends. This is the short method. adjointment of A. Adjointment of A. This is a short method here, friends. See the first step first. Without using cofactor directly. See, first of all, 1 were present in the first row, first columns are eliminated. What is the left of the element here, friends? -4. Here, right? Transpose -4. Second, 2 we are taking. 2 is present in the first row, second columns are eliminated. What is the left of the elements here? 3 is the left of the elements. 3 we are taking. 3 present in the first row and first columns are eliminated. For second row, first columns are eliminated. Left of the element is 2. Left of the element is 2. Next, -4 present in the second row and the second columns are eliminated. Left of the element is 1. But cofactor of A is what is we are getting? -1 whole to the power of I plus j. That's why very simple. So first we are taking alternative symbol. Plus after minus. Plus after minus or minus after plus. Simplify this one. Plus into minus is -4. -3 plus into minus is -3. Minus into plus 2, that value is -2. Plus into 1 is +1. Whole transpose. Now interchanging rows and columns. So -4, -3, -2. So like that, without using cofactor directly, which element you are taking, that particular row, that particular column is eliminated, write as left of the elements. After writing left of the elements, we can mention plus symbols, plus, minus, alternative. Plus alternative, take after plus. That's what I mentioned. After the product with the symbols, plus into minus is -4, minus into plus is -3, minus into plus 2 is -2. Next is +1. So one more method also is there. So third method here, students. Suppose capital A is equal to A, B, C, D. So adjointment of A formula is these two numbers are interchanging. These two numbers are interchanging means A replaced with D, D replaced with A. A replaced with D, D replaced with A. These two numbers does not interchanging, only we are adding minus. So minus B, minus C. This is a formula here, students. Without using cofactors formula, how to find the adjointment of A is 2 by 2 matrix only. So this is only applying for the 2 by 2 matrix. So capital A is equal to given matrix BCD. Adjointment of A formula is D minus B minus A. How can sum is these two numbers are interchanging means A replaced with D, D replaced with A. But B and C numbers does not interchange, only we are adding negative. So minus B minus C. What is the adjointment of A from this? D minus B minus C A. So we can use this method or directly this one or that one. Which one is easy? You can follow that one. See the second question here, students. See the second question. Which one is you can follow that one? See the second question. Second question they given A, B, C. A, B, C, D. So what is the given matrix we have to consider? Capital A is equal to A, B, C, D. So now we need to calculate adjointment of A. Dear students, first I am taking A. A present in the first row, first columns are eliminated. So left of the element is D. So left of the element is D. Next. So now B your transpose of the, dear students, transpose of the cofactor and element. That's why we are taking transpose of the cofactor element. A we are taking A present in the first row, first columns are eliminated, left of the element is D. Next, B we are taking B present in the first row, second columns are eliminated, left of the element is C. Left of the element is C. Next. So now next we are taking C. C present in the second row, first columns are eliminated, so left of the element is B. So left of the element is B. Next, D we are taking D D present in the second row, second columns are eliminated, left of the element is A. So left of the element is A directly. So we are taking A, we are taking, why we are taking left of the element is there? Because of cofactor of form is capital Aij is equal to -1 whole to the power of I plus j into Mij. Mij is nothing but minor of an element. So minor is nothing but deleting I cross j column, then remaining element it is called a minor. That's why. So A we are taking to the left of the element is D, B we are taking left of the element is C, C we are taking left of the element is B, D we are taking left of the element is A. After that, mention the symbols plus, negative, plus after negative, negative after plus. Understood, dear friends? First you are taking left of the element. After that you have to consider the symbols. Alternative plus after negative, negative after plus, plus after negative. Now transpose of the matrix means what? Interchanging rows and columns. That's why first row interchanging first column, second row interchanging second column. Minus D. This is the solution for this question. Only two steps. Only two steps. Very, very easy. See the third question. See the third question. The given matrix is -4, -4, -3, -3, -2, -1. So solution is, let capital A is equal to -4, -3, -2, -1. Directly you can apply this formula or else you can apply normal formula. The zero is dear students. Say I am applying this formula, for that I am applying that method. Adjointment of A. So adjointment of A means transpose of the cofactor and element. -4 we are taking, that particular row, that particular column is eliminated. So left of the element is -1. Next, minus we are taking that particular row, that particular column is eliminated. So left of the element is -2. Next, -2 we are taking, -2 particular row, the particular column is eliminated. So left of the element is -3. Next, -1 present in the second row and second columns are eliminated. Left of the element is -4. After that we can mention the symbols plus or negative. Here negative, here plus. So now plus into minus is -1, minus into -2 plus 2, minus into -3 plus 3, plus into -4 that value is -4. So transpose. Now transpose of the matrix is nothing but interchanging rows and columns. So first row interchanging first column, second row interchanging second column. This is the adjointment of A matrix. Now applying this method. See the direct adjointment of A. Adjointment of A means these two numbers are interchanging. Means -4 replaced with -1 and -1 replaced with -4. These two numbers are interchanging, but these two numbers not interchanging, only we are adding negative symbol. That's why minus of -3, minus of -2. So minus into -3 plus 3, minus into minus plus 2, -4. See dear students, this one and this one both values are same or not? Both adjointment of A matrix values are equal. So that's why we can apply this method or we can apply this one. That is your wish. Because of you are taking plus 2, minus 2, plus means they are applying the cofactor formula is -1 whole to the power of I plus j into Mij. So only we are taking minor of an element only, but we are not taking -1 whole to the power of I plus j. So whenever applying the particular column, we get a positive symbol. That's why directly without confusion which element you are taking, that particular row, that particular column eliminated, write as left of the element. So left of the element, then it is called a minor. minor before symbol is there, minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j. So definitely we get positive value symbol or negative value. That's why directly I am putting symbols are positive, negative. Alternate symbol here friends. Positive, negative, positive, negative only. Positive after negative, negative after positive, positive before negative. Like that we can put easily. We get the adjointment of A matrix. I think you want understanding the basic definitions, minor, cofactor, adjointment of A matrix. How to find the given matrix A, to find the adjointment matrix. Next tomorrow class we are discussing about the given A matrix is 3 by 3 matrix. How to find the adjointment of A matrix. So tomorrow class we are discussing about it. So what I am explaining, once you should practice in your house, dear students. Thank you all.